Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Warzone on controller. First, ensure your controller is properly connected to your console or PC. Next, dive into the game settings to fine-tune your sensitivity. A good starting point is often around 6 or 7 for both horizontal and vertical. Finally, customize your button layout to one that feels most natural and responsive for your playstyle, perhaps opting for tactical or bumper jumper. This foundational setup is crucial for consistent performance. Mastering movement is key to survival in Warzone. Practice tactical sprint and slide canceling to navigate the map quickly and evade enemy fire. Always prioritize gaining high ground. It offers a significant advantage, providing better sight lines and cover. When engaging, utilize available cover like walls or vehicles to minimize your exposure. Moving smart and positioning yourself strategically can drastically increase your chances of winning gunfights and outplaying opponents. Precision aiming is paramount for securing eliminations. Dedicate time to practicing your aim in the firing range, focusing on headshots and tracking moving targets. Understanding and controlling weapon recoil is also vital. Each weapon has a unique pattern. For close quarters engagements, mastering hipfire can be incredibly effective, allowing you to maintain speed and surprise. Consistent practice will transform your shooting accuracy, making you a formidable force on the battlefield. Beyond the basics, advanced tactics elevate your gameplay. Constantly monitor your minimap for enemy pings, gas movements, and objective locations. This awareness is a game changer. Effective communication with your squad is non-negotiable for coordinated pushes and revives. Lastly, efficient looting ensures you always have the best armor, weapons, and kill streaks. Remember, a well-equipped and informed team often secures the victory in the intense world of Warzone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.